Hey y'all, so I was very generously sent the Sexy Smooth Wax Tickled Pink Wax. They have sent me the Purple Seduction, I believe it's called, before, and I love it. Their wax is amazing. Look at that color, it's like a Barbie pink. Also, I'm going to apologize for the angles here, okay? I'm very upset. I got a new light with a phone holder. I was so excited. It's an expensive light, and my phone just kept weighing the holder down. So I have horrible angles. I will make another video with this wax. But trust me, this wax is amazing, especially if you're a speed waxer. It dries super fast. It gets all the hairs up. It's such a good hard wax, and I have tried so many. So I love trying new different waxes so that I know my favorite, and my clients also comment. I make sure to ask them if it hurt as much as the last one. This one in particular, a few of my clients that I asked, that I used it on, said it didn't hurt as much at all. So that's always what I'm looking for also. But it dries so fast, guys. And like, look at that. Every single hair it picks up. So yeah, this is amazing. Thank you, Sexy Smooth Wax.